Hello my lovely scholars, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at how to calculate or find the median. What is the median? The median of a set of numbers is the number that falls in the middle. However, first you have to arrange the numbers in order, usually from the smallest to the largest. So look at the definition. It says the median of a set of numbers is the one that falls in the middle after the numbers have been arranged in order. Let's read that again. The median of a set of numbers is the one that falls in the middle after the numbers have been arranged in order. If two numbers fall in the middle, add them and divide by 2. If you are given an even set of numbers, so if you are given 4 numbers, 6 numbers, 8 numbers, 10 numbers, what you're going to find is that you can't identify a single number in the middle. You will have 2 numbers in the middle because they are even. The number of items is even. So what you'll have to do, identify those 2 that fall in the middle, add them up and divide by 2. If you are given an odd set of numbers, like if there are 3 numbers, 5 numbers, 7 numbers, 9 numbers, and so on, then you can easily identify the middle one and you will have the same number of things to the left as to the right. So let's look at these numbers now. We need to first arrange them in order. Remember, it says they have to be arranged. You can't just go straight and look at them and say, oh, the 3 is in the middle because 2 numbers over here, 2 numbers over there. You have to put them in order. So the smallest is the 3, then we have the 4, then the 7, then the 8, then the 9. So now looking at these numbers, we see that the 7 falls in the middle. The 7 is the median. Here, putting them in order, the 2 zeros are obviously the smallest. Then we have the 2, then we have the 4, and then we have the 6. So it's clear to see the 2 is in the middle. 2 numbers to the left, 2 numbers to the right. Putting these ones in order, the 2 is the smallest, then the 3, then the 4, then the 5, then the 6. So looking at it now, we see that the 4 falls in the middle. The 4 is the median. 2 is the smallest, 3 and 9. So this was already in order. Sometimes you're going to find that the numbers are already in order. Don't take it for granted. You still have to check to make sure that they are in order before you go ahead and identify the median. So now we can see the 3 is the median because the 3 is in the middle. We have 1 number on each side of the 3. Here we have 3, 7, 8. 7 is in the middle. 7 is the median. Or how about these? So let's go. We have 1, 2, 4, 7. It's an even set of numbers. There are 4 numbers. So that tells us that 2 of them will fall in the middle. What does it say we're to do? If 2 of them fall in the middle, it says, if 2 numbers fall in the middle, add them and divide the answer by 2. So we're to add the 2 and the 4. We get 6. And 6 divided by 2 gives us 3. So actually 3 is the median for these numbers. You notice there's no 3 here, but the median is 3. It's halfway between the 2 numbers that fell in the middle. So let's organize these. We have a 0, we have a 3, we have a 4, we have a 5, we have a 9. It's 5 numbers, that's odd, so we can easily identify the median. The median is 4. So let's look now at these numbers. Putting them in order, we have 4, 13, 16, and 29. It's 4 numbers, so These two fall in the middle, so we're going to need to add them and divide that answer by 2. 29 divided by 2 gives us 14 and a half. So the median here is 14 and a half. Right? We had to divide the 29 by 2. When we added up the 13 and the 16, we got 29. We have to divide that by 2, and that's 14 and a half. So here we have 3 numbers. We put them in order: 7, 8, 12. 8 is the median. Okay, so that one was no challenge to us. This one looks like, these look like they're already in order. So 6, 16, 66. Yes, they are already in order, and the 16 falls in the middle. 16 is the median. We have 4 numbers here, so we have a 3, 8, 10, 20. 2 numbers fall in the middle. We're going to need to add them. 8 plus 10, that's 18. And 18 divided by 2 gives 9. So the median is actually 9. Here we have 4 numbers, so that's 0, 4, 7, 11. These 2 fall in the middle. 4 plus 7 is 11, and 11 divided by 2, that's 5 and a half. So actually the median for this set is 5 and a half, right? So you really have to look to see, are there 2 numbers that fall in the middle, or is there just 1? And remember, this is after you have arranged them in order. You can't just go straight ahead and look at the original set of numbers given. You must put them in order first, and then you identify whether 1 number falls in the middle or 2 numbers fall in the middle. If 2 of them fall in the middle, add them up, divide the answer by 2. So we have 2 to go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. It's an odd set of numbers. It's 5 numbers, so we can see that 3 falls in the middle. 3 is the median. Here again we have 5 numbers, so the smallest is 8. Then we have 11. Then we have 15. Then we have 25, and then we have 30. Okay? So clearly 15 is in the middle. We have 2 numbers on the left, 2 numbers on the right. 15 is the median. So to recap what we have said, the median of a set of numbers is the one that falls in the middle after the numbers have been arranged in order, usually from the smallest to the biggest. Then when we arrange them in order, we have to look to see, is there 1 number in the middle, or are there 2 numbers in the middle? If you were given an even set of numbers, 4 numbers, 6 numbers, 10 numbers, it means 2 numbers will fall in the middle. You're going to need to add them and divide by 2 to get the median. If you were given an odd set of numbers, then it's easier for you because you already have the median, just 1 number in the middle. You don't need to add it or divide it by anything. You identify it, it will have the same number of numbers to the left as to the right. So if you identify that number, then you see that that's the median. And that's all there is for identifying the median of a set of numbers, right? So look out for the other 2 videos that I did on statistics for grade 4. In statistics for grade 4, apart from the graphs, the 3 measures of measuring population and so on that we look at the grade 4 level are the median, the mode, and the mean, right? As you get more advanced, you'll understand why. Why are we calculating the mean? Why do we need to know the number in the middle? Why do we need to know the mode, the most frequent number? What's all this information good for? You're going to find out why we do all these things, right? So look out for those videos on how to find the mean, how to find the mode. If you have benefited from this video, please share it with your friends, with your neighbors, with your classmates. Please comment below the video to say thank you, miss, and please subscribe if you have not yet done so. I will see you in the next video.